Let me go to a parochial issue first, relating to my home state of Illinois. We have a prison in Thomson, Illinois, owned by the state of Illinois, that has in fact been vacant for 10 years. Our state has tried to negotiate an agreement with the Bureau of Prisons, which faces its own overcrowding challenges, to come up with an appropriate purchase price, and they have agreed on one that has been approved through the state government as well as through the Bureau of Prisons. One of the contentious issues related to whether or not Guantanamo detainees would be transferred to the Thomson prison. You sent a letter that stated, consistent with current law, we will not transfer detainees from Guantanamo to Thomson or otherwise house Guantanamo detainees at Thomson, end of quote. That letter was sent several years ago. I want to ask, this question continues to reemerge as to whether or not there's some equivocation in that statement. So I'd like to ask you, and I'm sorry to say this, under oath, which you are, as a testimony before this committee, I'd like to ask you as Attorney General, will you pledge that under no circumstances will the Obama administration seek to transfer detainees from Guantanamo to Thomson, regardless of what the law permits?
That is an accurate statement of, of our position. We want to acquire the Thomson facility. It would really be a welcome addition to our Bureau of Prisons and increase the capacity that we need for those kinds of prisoners, and we will not move people from Guantanamo, regardless of the state of the law, to Thomson. That is my pledge as Attorney General.
And for the record, this matter has been discussed and debated for over a year with reprogramming requests through the Department of Justice. It has received the approval on the Senate side, but it's been held up by one Republican congressman who has raised this issue over and again. I hope that your testimony under oath will finally satisfy whatever questions remain in his mind.